Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the BPM show. This is a show where we talk all things business process management. So today we shall dwell into understanding what business process management is and understanding its creation, its adoption, implementation into operational best practices on how to create the best value for the stakeholders of the company as well as achieve the objectives of the company. What is business process management? Business process management is a branch of operations management that is a process-centric approach of management in which we focus on the internal processes of the company in order to develop systems of predictable and repeatable sequences of work. The aim of this is to provide or increase value to the stakeholders of the company as well as achieve the business objectives. Our goal is to create value above all. So value above all will be created through our partners, working with our partners through transparency, integrity, and commitment. Let's start with the basics of business process management. So first is, what is a process? A process is a standardized way of transforming inputs, which could be capital from raw materials to a product, or use of human capital to provide a service, into outputs that will create value for the end user. And a process is therefore intended to be more valuable to the consumer in order for us to achieve as the stakeholders or any other stakeholders that are involved. Therefore, with process management, there are three pillars, which are the process, which is the sequence of work that has to do with transforming an input into an output. This could be human resource, standardization of human resource management, which could be the repeated tasks in a company, which could be production. The second being the people. The people, as I said, are the management, the business owners, the customers. And the third being technology, which is now digitization or automation of these sequences of work. There are 7 methods of BPM. So the first is discovery. What do we want to do, or how do we want to do it, or what do we aim to achieve? The second is modeling, so in which we model the sequences of the work to be done. The third is analyzing, where we can best fit them. And then after we've implemented them, we get to measure, which is the fourth. And throughout the measurement, we do monitoring. And the fifth, in which we improve. The sixth being optimization of the models or the measures we have put in place. And the seventh is automation wherever possible. How does BPM work? BPM works through visualization. So there's nothing that could occur if we do not visualize on how it's supposed to be. So this includes processes and the desired outputs. The second is the measurement, which is the use of data in determining the appropriate tools to use. So data can be through try and testing, which is the use of research and development departments. And the third, is analyzing. So analyzing is comparing different simulations. From this, we improve, where we modify in order to increase efficiency. And then we control, where we create policies and procedures, which could be through standard operating procedures, SOPs, in order to maintain this improvement, as well as the fifth being re-engineering. So this is where we remove any bottlenecks after we have improved and implemented the controls. Its life cycle also is as follows. We design, we model, we execute, we monitor, and then we optimize. So it is a continuous flow of process management. So we always have to design, we always have to model, we always have to execute, which is implementation. We monitor to make sure that we achieve the best results, and then we optimize. Design, model, execute, monitor, and optimize. It's a continuous flow. From this brief explanation on what process management is, here are a few of our benefits. The benefits of process management as a part of our services as Linset partners is to increase on cost reduction. This is mainly in the optimization phase, in the re-engineering phase, where we manage to remove the bottlenecks within processes of transforming inputs to outputs or provision of services. The other is compliance, which can be both regulatory or internal control compliance to the policies of the company. The other is risk management. So we manage to mitigate risks by understanding the flow of the processes and any factors that are involved in it, both negative and positive. We also improve productivity, because then we remove any bottlenecks that are hindering the efficiency of production or achievement of any desired outputs, be it a service or a product. We aim to increase customer satisfaction, because then we realize what the customer wants and how best we can provide for them the services. Another could be revenue growth, because in the long term, after you have managed to reduce your costs and optimize and provide the best value to the customers and other stakeholders, many companies get to realize a revenue growth as they are reducing their costs and increasing on their return on investments. With this brief introduction, we look forward to having you into our next episodes with our different panelists over the next 5 episodes. And for any other further information prior to that, kindly contact us at Linset Partners, info@linsetpartners.com, which is our email address, as well as our website, which is www.linsetpartners.com. I repeat, www.linsetpartners.com. You could also reach us by phone on 0786 801 855. 0786 801 855. We look forward to having you in our next episodes. Please stay tuned and have a great day.